Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to modify existing Excel file by looping over its sheets and inserting value into every single one of them. Basically what we want to do, so we have a file which looks like this. Basically it is a harvest of the farm which does not exist, and what we want to do, we want to insert the farm name on every single one of them, the cell A1. So first step we need to do, we need to create list of sheets. So we just select the file. Well, it's called farm. Old farm. Let's run it. See what happens. So where's update folder? So we have list of sheets. Important thing, and what we need to do, we need to add the header field to it, otherwise it is not going to work. Just will be available. Oh, correct. Call it use proper name. So then we can merge them. Merge files. So the source file would be header. Target file would be file. Let's try to run and see what happens. So which one was modified? I think it should be the other way around. Check it again. Farm was fine. Need to remove, make sure that we have also want to copy it. Make a copy of it. Copy file. Copy header. And copy it, yeah, sorry, not copy files, copy file. Sometimes it is a little bit confusing. So source file header, It will be like this. Okay, let's run it again and see what happens. So now we have sheets file. Okay, so now it is correct. So what we can do, we can start looping it. So we just loop source code file loop. And we select the sheets. And let's run it again. See, the sheet name is here. And what we next step is to set field cell value. The file is still the same. The sheet is sorry. So it is a variable. And cell is A1. And value, how we show it's happy dog. Happy dog. Oh, okay. I think it is a good name. And we need to close the loop. And now we are ready to run our workflow. Let's run it and see what happens. So we open the file. Farm. Okay, we can see happy dog farm here on the cars page as well, and on bananas. Another thing we can do, we can so obviously Excel set Excel color if necessary, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please like and subscribe. And go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.